welcome to Vlogmas day 20, 19, 20. Gosh, I can't even remember.
Probably 82.
Today has been hectic to say like the least. So usually my son has swim, so we went to swim, and as we were like walking out the door, because we were running late of course, and like getting everything together, the phone rang. I didn't answer it because we were busy, and I get to swim and it's like, oh, we don't have swim today, it got canceled. So then we rushed home, I got him changed, and then he had a dentist appointment, which was like, they were like half an hour late. So now we are in line at Chick-fil-A to grab something to eat, and then we have to go pick up my husband's Christmas present, and then we have pictures with Santa. So today has pretty much been like chaotic, hectic, and it's like 1 o'clock and I've gotten like nothing done. So yeah, fun. Okay, so we're gonna eat our Chick-fil-A now. What did you tell him you wanted for Christmas?
A electric scooter, a drone, a truck look like a reindeer, and Ed can do everything in the movie.
Okay.
And I'll go a real head behind.
Oh.
And you can change clothes with him too.
Okay.
I'll go ahead motorcycle.
Yeah. You did a great job.
Yeah.
Good job. We are back home after the mall, which was a total madhouse. I tried to film there, but it was so loud. There were so many people there, and you just couldn't hear. It was just a hot mess express. Anyway, we're gonna make some cookies, and Star-Lord is going to help us. We're gonna make Greek butter cookies, which is a recipe of my grandmother's. So here we go.
We have cookies!
It is late, it's like after 11 o'clock, and I was just about to get in the shower and go to bed, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot to end the vlog. So I ran downstairs because I wanted to share with you the cookies while you sleep that I made earlier and show them to you in the oven. My oven is a hot mess because I'm not going to clean it until after Christmas. I know. I'm just lazy and don't want to clean it like now and then again, so don't judge me. So these are the cookies, and you literally turn the oven on, and as soon as you put them in, you turn the oven off, and you leave them in there overnight, and then when you wake up, they're like meringue cookies, kinda, I guess. My grandma always made them. My grandma always made them when I was a kid, and my sister loves them, and my husband says I've never made them, but I feel like I have, but maybe I haven't. But I couldn't find the recipe because my sister stole it, because she asked me for it, and I said I couldn't find it, and then she's like, I found it, and it was my recipe. So that's maybe why I didn't make them. So that's it for today. I'm exhausted. Only a few more days till Christmas, thank goodness. Tomorrow we're going to see Mary Poppins, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I will take you along with us. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post videos every day during Vlogmas. Otherwise, it's every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!